I'm Daryl Ponton. Thanks for joining me today. Today I got a little project I'm going to work on. I got some bedding plants, and I'm going to build a little box to put them outside. They're not quite ready to go on the ground because it still can get cold out. Got some old 2x10s laying around. I'm going to use them for this project. They were from a previous job that I had a couple years ago I had on hand. And I had this old storm window I got from another job that I've been saving for a project like this. Now I got these bedding plants 3 or 4 days ago. I want to put them outside so I don't have to keep bringing them in and out. Make sure that they're safe from getting too cold. Just going to use 3-inch screws to connect the ends together, stack another set on top. Just testing out to make sure it was going to fit before I put this other row on top. Probably only going to have them in there for a week or two before it really warms up enough to go out. This way it'll keep the cold from messing up the leaves. This kind of project ain't gonna hardly cost me anything for the materials. Bedding plants set me back a little bit, but all in all, not too bad. I'm just trying to clean up some of this dirt that got on this window over the winter time. I had them stored outside, so I want to make sure I get them all cleaned up so the sun can get through there. Now the tomato plants be a little bit taller, so that's why I had to go too deep with this. Now that I know everything's gonna fit, I'm gonna move this. Put my plants inside there and see what we got. Think they'll be fine out here now for a couple weeks till I get ready to put them in the garden. Got some peppers in there, a little bit of cabbage, tomatoes, a bunch of broccoli. It's a little project anyone could do if you have these kind of extra goodies on hand.